Welcome to Efficiency Devlog number 54. This devlog was initially 20 minutes long, or at least would have been about that, but it's 2:20 a.m. and I have work tomorrow at 8 a.m. So as you guys can probably tell, I don't have time to edit that entire video. It was basically walking through the entire process of how I just made this entire really cool system, but I'll show it to you guys in about 10 seconds right now. Last night I was working on a rearranging system, and the best I could get it to was pressing this button, and then that would allow you to actually drag and move this thing around. Now obviously it's different now and it's not as stupid. Now what it is when you are dragging this around, or sorry, what you're able to do is you're able to just hold down on this button for half a second, and then once you've held it for long enough, it'll allow you to re-drag it and reorder it and drag it. So this is a system that I'm very proud of, and I cannot believe I actually made work. It took me quite the time to actually make this, so I'm excited that it's working and that it's good to go right now, because it took forever to build and I wasn't even sure if it was going to work. But I basically used a custom button class to access the protected method of isPressed, and then went over into the task completer script to check every single frame to see if it is pressed, and if it is pressed, then you want to start a timer, and if that timer gets above half a second, then you move over to your mover script, and then over here you enable this, and then in an update method, instead of using a drag and a on pointer up, because those get buggy when you're using a button as well, you use it in the update system, because now you have information as to where your button is, or sorry, as to where your thingy is, and then you just check it to see if your mouse is pressed down or if your input on mobile is pressed down. Obviously I have this commented out when I'm testing it because it just refreshes the whole thing. If your touch count is 0, obviously when I'm on PC, the touch count is going to be 0 all the time, and that messes things up. But I'm really happy with this system. I can't believe this worked. I honestly think my disbelief is genuinely insane here. I can't believe I made this work. This is a system that I really want to make work, because obviously at the end of the day, this is a to-do list app, and I really want the to-do list part of it to be nice, and I'm happy that it is. I'm happy that I'm able to say I made this thing work and I got it working. So I don't know, it's a pretty big deal to me, and I'm really happy that it's working. So I'm gonna try and reformat the UI on this a little bit here, just to make it look a bit nicer, so that it edit text, edit yada. Yeah, so I basically just need to expand this a little bit, is really all that I've learned from this. Because now I have more room. I have more room for the text in the, text segment of the to-do list app. So as you guys can see right here, now when you reload it, you get more space for your text, and when you go ahead and hold stuff down, you can drag and drop stuff wherever you want it to be, and also you can scroll through your list without having to worry about it not letting you scroll. So I'm really happy with this system. I can't even explain how proud I am of this system. This actually might be my favorite system that I've made for the entire game. It's a wild thing to say, but I think it is true. So overall, that's the system that I got done today. Very proud of it. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like on it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. I hope you guys all have an amazing day, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.
Bye!